Thanks everyone for stopping by today. It's early March. Time to get out some seeds and thinking about planting that garden. So let's go through what I think we're going to plant this year. Whether it be out in the back garden or in some pots on the front. Let's go through these things. Got quite a pile here. Some of these seeds are newer, just acquired. Others I have saved over the last couple years. But let's do a little run through and see what we have here. First seed I have here is some candy onions. Never grew these before. Very popular onion. They're a storage onion, so they save well, which is kind of what I'm looking for. Very large onions. So we'll see how they do. Need to get these going. Another first time seed for this year is this Siberian pink honey. It's like a Russian heirloom type of tomato. Thought I would try this. This is one my dad was trying to look for. A Russian heart, ox heart style tomato. So we're going to give that one a shot and see if we have any luck. Ohio Heirloom Seeds is a new vendor. I'm trying now out of Columbus, so about 2 hours from here. So we'll see how it works out. This is a freebie that I got from ordering from Baker's Creek. This is a dark purple opal basil. Just some free seeds. They always throw in some free seeds, which is nice. So we'll see how this works out. This is another one, new pack of seeds I got for this year. This Castraludos tomato. I've tried to grow these before, but unfortunately it was part of the batch of tomatoes that I think my garden was just saying, it's not going to work out this year. So we'll get a group of these going, see how they do. The one or two tomatoes that I had from my plant that I grew of these, it was a very good tomato. So I thought I'd give it another shot. One of my all-time favorites, the Brandywine, tried and true slicing tomato, great for sandwiches. First pack of seeds. I've got a package I've saved over here in my box, but I thought I'd get a fresh batch. Just because for the $2, I just thought I'd break down and buy a pack. Praxis cherry tomatoes. If you watch my videos over the years, I grow these every year. This was part of Ray Praxis's free drawing, probably 8 years ago now. I grow them every year. It's a cherry tomato. The stems on these Praxis it's thick. Probably one of the thickest stemmed cherry tomatoes I've ever grown. But I love these cherry tomatoes. Very good. Oh yeah, this is my dad had gotten some seeds from one of his friends. This is a Russian heart, ox heart style. This was 2 years ago. Didn't have much luck. I think I got one tomato to ripen. So I saved the seeds from it. And this was 2 years ago. Didn't have any luck last year. But we'll try again this year and see how we do. Okay, this is a cherry tomato that my dad wanted me to save seeds for him. This was 2 years ago again. This is the same batch of seeds. Again, last year my garden didn't do well, so we're going to try these again. Seeds should still be good. There's quite a few seeds in there. The Black Versage. This is an interesting tomato I grew. Again, 2 years ago, I had like one plant. One plant did actually grew a tomato or two. I like the flavor. And they're supposed to be very prolific, so I should be able to get a lot of tomatoes off of it. Give it another shot, see what happens. Some 2-year-old Golden Reaper seeds. Got quite a few in there, actually. I've got some fresh ones downstairs from last year. So extra seeds just in case. Golden Reapers, definitely do some more of those. This is another new one from Baker's Creek I got this year, packed for 2020. I'm not even going to try to pronounce that, the name of that, but I'm looking for a pepper that has some heat to it. Not necessarily like a jalapeno, but something with some heat. Looked good, so I thought I'd give these a shot. So we'll see how those do. Never had much luck growing like bell peppers for whatever reason. Now into my seed saving bucket here. We'll just buzz through these pretty quick. Here's some Brandywines from a couple years ago, 2016. Oh, no, it's 2018. So that was 2 years ago. Still a couple in there. These are cabbage seeds from a couple years back. Still have some in here. Maybe we'll do a little cabbage. You can hear them in there. The one year I did try cabbage, I got overtaken by weeds. This bag we have some freebies from Baker's Creek. This is the lipstick pepper. Unfortunately, no picture to go off of. Another pepper here. When was this one? This is 2018 as well. Looks like a good one. Maybe I don't have, there's a couple seeds in there. Maybe we'll try that one again too. I buy a lot from Baker's Creek. Let's try this one. Nope, nothing in that bag. What do we have here? Okay, a couple here. Cucumber. Bite Alpha. So it's from 2015. There's a lot of seeds in there. I don't even know if I didn't even open that pack. Celery. 2015. Some of these I just bought with hopes of trying, and I never even planted them. Never cracked the seal. Some freebies. Just some miscellaneous flowers. Red Thai chilies. I actually had a plant or two that produced quite a bit of these. These were very good. Love to dry those. And a couple of herbs. Oh, Ozark Giants. Nothing in that pack. And some basil and kale. One year we were trying to do kale for smoothies. I'm not necessarily one for kale, but my wife likes kale. So, and one year we tried to do that. I don't think it did very well, to be honest. In the last box, we have some jalapenos, red jalapenos, large. And that's from 2 years ago. There's a couple seeds in there. Maybe we'll fire those up. Last, an unopened pack of onions. So, Elsa, Craig, quite a few in there. There we go. There are all of my seeds. What looks good to you guys? What do you think I should plant? Leave in the comments. Anything here look appetizing or something you might want to try yourself? Leave in the comments. Well, everyone, thanks for watching. Stay tuned. Within the next couple days, we will be doing a video on planting these in some trays. Absolutely. We need to get those onions going too, so we'll do that. Man, it's hard to believe. This is March. Gotta get the stuff going. All right, everyone. Thanks for watching.